Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to install TradingView on laptop. So guys, I will show you two very handy and useful ways to do this. First one being, of course, the easier one, so you just go to the official website, and now in here guys you will be taken to this home screen, basically where is the download button. So you go to more, then downloads, and desktop app. Click on the button, and you can just download the application for your laptop. You can easily install it on the laptop, just click it and download it. And now guys, as you can see in your download history, you will have this TradingView MSIX file, so don't be afraid, this is just a Microsoft Store program installer file. So as you can see, we have a publish information, version, everything else. Then you can just press on install and install the app. And now guys, the second way. So you can open up, for example, TradingView. And now guys, for example, let's say you want to create a, sort of an app, in brackets, for your watch list. So in your Chrome browser, go three dots, then go cast, save and share, and then install page has application. Just click, then press on install. And as you can see guys, now our application is opened in a new window, and you can also pin it to, for example, your start menu or to your taskbar in Windows and easily open it up without actually needing to install the app. Okay, so pretty simple, and you can do everything you want with it. You can resize it, as you can see. Yeah, so it's basically very comfortable. Chrome is really a good browser. So guys, that's pretty much it. Enjoy. If this helped, press like on the video and subscribe. See you soon.